So we've upgraded to this one from my last one, so it can match all the other 4 machines that we currently have. This one's got a buffer in here. It's got about 50 meters of web path that will feed through. This will allow us to change a reel on the run so that the machine only stops for a zip change. So you only stop probably once, maybe twice every day. It also allows us to do smaller gusset sizes. It's got a different gusset setup in here, so we have a more variety of pouch size. We've now got 2 longitudinal heads so that we have our zipper on a separate station so that we can line it up to the position we want to make it sort of like a perfect impression. And then our bottom K-seal just down here so that we can have our perfect alignment. So when it comes to planning jobs coming through our pouch lines, we can spread out all the work evenly so we could run the same job on all 5 machines if we wanted to and speed it up and get it out straight away.